fundamentally, the world is short of new nickel discoveries. And we're now entering into a period where we're going to need a vast increase in the amount of nickel supply available as this huge new demand source for nickel in electric vehicles is just starting to ramp up. We've seen the drilling so far. Again, it's early days, but what we're seeing, it looks like we have an area that's maybe 0.33, 0.35 over a sizable area that could be a potential starter area, which would be very helpful when we get to a PA and get down to that stage of the project.
What we have here is drilled core from highly serpentinized dunite rock, and you can see the serpentinization more intense in certain areas, but the serpentinization process is what literally gave us the deposit. It forces the nickel into a sulfide state as opposed to being in a silicate. And in the process of doing that, it produces magnetite. And you can see the rock is very magnetic throughout its length. The higher the magnetism, actually give you better grades in nickel. This deposit is also unique in the sense that it has very high cobalt in it, and also quite a bit of PG minerals.
The beauty of Crawford is that you're dealing with something that is just off the main 655 highway, fairly easy access. And Timmins is a well-recognized mining camp with all kinds of infrastructure, highways, water, high-tension power, rail, and service contractors that are available, good mining workforce. It's got all the 9 yards. It's the old story of location, location, location.
This is a high growth sector and will be for the next 10 to 15, 20 years. Rio Tinto and Anglo American and all the other large mining companies want large, long life, multi-decade resources, and with just less than 20% of the structure drilled, we've already delivered what is one of the 12 largest nickel sulfide resources globally. So it's going to be some pretty fun drilling over the next couple months here.